that United has come out with. This machine is a belt-fed flange machine which takes the panels, feeds them through, and will automatically turn at every single corner automatically. This allows all corners to come out even and gives you a better quality panel across the board. It'll do twins all the way up to kings, California kings. The other great features is it also comes with the United 5000 flange machine that has the revolutionary new PTP, patented black parts technology. Now I'd like to show you more detail. All right, the operator is loading the panel. As she comes to the corner, the outside belt is going to reverse direction, turn the panel, gives you an exact 2.5-inch radius, which is the specification for mattress, and it'll automatically do it again at every single corner. Today, where we don't have as many operators available, you have to train people. This is a perfect training machine. You take an operator with little experience, it controls the speed of the throughput, it controls the speed of each corner. It totally de-skills the operation. Right here's our auto flange feed and cut system. It's the first in the industry. It'll actually feed 2 inches up to 10 inches of flange material. Once the operator is done flanging the panel, she'll activate the cutter. It'll cut the flange material and then we'll automatically feed it up to the starting position. And the panel can be taken off the table all automatically. What's not shown here is we actually do have a feeding system that takes a stack of panels, it picks it, puts it on a table, it feeds it down here, so if she was ready for the next panel, she would hit a button and it would feed it right to her, and then she would flange it, and then when she's done, like you saw it leaving the table, it would actually be picked and put back into a stack again. So you got one operator that's basically managing this whole area right from the quilter. It's a great piece of equipment.